Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. In today's video, I'm sharing basic bodice pattern for tops, which I'll be using in my upcoming videos. So you can save this video for reference. And this is a measurement I'll be using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. I'll start with the front bodice pattern. And I'm using this leftover fabric. To cut the pattern, you can also use paper. It's your choice. And here I have one layer of fabric. And I have cut out the required length, that is 25 inches. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 14 inches, so half of it will be 7. Now I'll mark neck width. It can range between 2.5 inches for narrow and 4.5 inches for broad neckline. So here I'm marking point at 2.5 inches. Now I'll mark the shoulder slope at 0.5 inch and I'll join it to the neck width point. Now from shoulder slope, I'll mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inches in my measurement. For sleeveless outfit, deduct half inch, and for loose fit, add half inch to the armhole. Like in my measurement, armhole round is 7 inches. For sleeveless, I'll mark a point at 6.5 inches, and for loose fit, I'll mark a point at 7.5 or 8 inches depending on the design. Now for front armhole, mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point like this. And now I'll mark the vertical measurements. This is chest line just below the armhole. And now from shoulder, mark a point at 11 inches for bust line, 15 inches for waistline, and 21 inches for hip line. Extend these points. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inches of ease or losing to the body measurement. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inches. So 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inches. For bust, again I'm adding 2 inches of ease. In my measurement, bust round is 32 inches. 32 plus 2 is 34, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.5 inches. For waist, I'm adding 3 inches of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 29 inches, and 29 plus 3 is 32, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8 inch. For hip round, I'm adding 3 inches of ease. In my measurement, hip round is 37 inches. 37 plus 3 is 40, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 10 inches. Join these points. Give slight curve to the bust and the waist point. Now to draw front and back armhole curves, mark midpoint on both these lines. This is 7 inches, so half of it will be 3.5 inches. I'll mark 3.5 inches on both lines. And now I'll draw back armhole curve. And now I'll draw front armhole curve. Now I'll join hip to bottom, and for that extend this line till bottom to get A-line shape. And now on this line, measure hip to bottom. This is 4 inches. Mark same point on the other side. Join these points. So with this, front bodice marking is complete. I'm not adding any seam allowance, that I'll add on the main fabric. And by not adding seam allowance, it's easy to make variations to the pattern, and now I'll cut it out. So this is front bodice pattern. Now to cut back bodice pattern, just place front bodice on the fabric like this and cut it out. After cutting back bodies, I have cut front armhole curve on the front bodies. And with this, our basic bodice pattern is ready. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll resolve it as soon as possible. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.